Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to generate faceless content using Hypernatural. And the funniest thing about Hypernatural is that it is actually cheap. The subscription plan is cheap for content creators. I think the subscription plan is between $6 to $7. All right, so it's very cheap compared to Create AI. All right, and also Sora. Without wasting much time, let's dive deep into today's topic. All right, so what we're going to do now is to first of all type Hypernatural. Okay, Hypernatural AI. I don't know why it's showing me 11 labs. Okay, this is hypernatural.ai. Alright, so when you enter, what you have to do first is to log in, is to sign up using your Gmail. Alright, I've done that before because I do make use of Hypernatural. So once you are done signing up, so for the free version you can only generate 30 seconds video. All right, 30 seconds video. So look at it for the free version, not even 30 seconds, 60 seconds, sorry, 60 seconds video, which I think is even okay. So if you pay, you know, there are different plans. So if you play for the different plans, you can see we have 3-minute video, 3 to 10 minutes video, we have 10 minutes and longer videos. Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, we are making use of the free plan. All right, so what I will do is I will come to this place and then I will type a prompt. You can generate a prompt using Claude AI or ChatGPT, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I will just make a prompt for myself. Let me tell it to generate a video about a young man in Nigeria that made his money off drugs. Was later caught by the law. All right, so I'll just click on make video. So here before, so you can see that it's actually generating the scripts. I just told it what the content of the video should look like, so it's generating the script now. All right, so if you look at this place, it is asking for the narrator. Okay, so I think for the free version it is only Alloy that is free, and then the style, we have the 3D animation, we have the photographic, we have other forms, but you have to pay it for you to be able to access these other forms. And for this purpose, let's stick to photographic. All right, and then aspect ratio, let's just keep it to let's just keep it to 9:16. all right, since it's just a tutorial. And then for the character, okay, you can see there are characters here, that it has also generated the characters for us. Okay, since it's a Nigerian story, so I think we should just stick to African characters. Okay, so this is the storyline that it has generated for us. So let's just click on make video. So it's asking us to pay $6. Okay, it's almost $7 to upgrade, $7 per month. but for the sake of this tutorial, let's make use of the free one, which is the 30 seconds. I click on 30 seconds. So our video is now being generated. We just have to sit back and relax. So let's just sit back and relax while the video is being generated. You can see details about our characters. So if you have the money, I think I would recommend that you pay for the full version to enjoy the full package, especially if you are in a storytelling niche. I think it will be very good. You will actually love it. So I think our video is up. Let's just play it now.
In the vibrant heart of Lagos lived Ayo, a young man yearning for a life beyond the dust and struggle. He watched the city's towering ambitions and vowed to seize his own slice, no matter the cost.
This city promises so much. I'm tired of waiting for my turn.
His turn came swiftly, shrouded in secrecy and the illicit whisper of contraband. He rose from obscurity to opulence, his hands now adorned with gold, his days filled with a deceptive ease.
So guys, if you want to download this video, just click here and you just have to long press on the screen, and you see the download, and you download. Alright, you can see that our video is downloaded, but I advise if you can spare $7, just pay for the full. I think is a nice AI program. I think I recommend it for anyone that is into faceless content, especially storytelling content. All right, so thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like my content. I'll also be showing you guys how to access Sora AI. You know, Sora is not accessible in Nigeria, but I'll show you guys how to do it in my next video. Thank you guys, and God bless.